Are you worried that the IPEX connector of the COFDM transmitter module will be unreliable? Our COFDM transmitter module has an IPEX connector, which some customers worry could come loose or have poor contact, causing signal issues. In this video, we show you if the IPEX connector is secure. Our COFDM transmitter module is connected to an oscilloscope, and the screen shows that the current signal is stable. When we move the RF antenna cable at will, the signal is still very stable. If you still worry that the IPEX connector is not strong, we have two suggestions. First, after QC passes the function test, the IPEX connector can be fixed with yellow glue during assembly. Second, please use high-quality soft wires for the connection line between the RF connector and the antenna. Do not use too hard wires to avoid affecting the contact. If you don't have one, we can provide it for free.